Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, March 26th. Greetings from La Jolla. Let's talk about these stock indices. Asia, Europe had a chance to react to the tariff news, and that's really been the main driver here as you see this market going lower. But as we approach 6,500, and I can see that happening in the Asia time zone. So pay attention to Asia for Monday's action. Can really set the tone, I think. And what we're looking for are shadows on the bottom. Those lines that you see here, that's what you want to see on the bottom on Monday. That would imply we've gotten low enough to find buyers, and we would look for new highs. Just to give you an idea about some of the things when it comes to the tariffs that are coming out here. We discussed this in the advanced video, but I wanted to share just a couple ideas with you because so much has been focused on China. I want you to understand where it fits in. And one of the things that China may do is to ease their buying of the U.S. treasuries, purchasing our debt in the United States. Now it holds $1.7 trillion. It's about 19% of all the foreign holdings of U.S. government securities. To give you another idea about China, China's trade surplus with the United States in 2000 was almost $84 billion. That number has grown to $375 billion in 2017. So it does have a change in the relationship, the balance of trade between our countries. U.S. trade impacts, though, these tariffs that we're talking about, it's about 0.1% of China's GDP. Or another way to think about it, it impacts about 2.2% of China's total exports. So it's going to have a dramatic impact. Not really. Just one other interesting tidbit. China is the largest consumer of pork in the world. And they consume, or I should say it this way, the world's largest pork producer is a company called Smithfields. And Smithfields is a company that will export pork to China. China has imposed tariffs on pork imports. And the company that owns, or the group that owns Smithfields, is China. So China has tariffs on the pork that it's now going to import. So just interesting. Well, let's go on and let's get back to these markets. It's an unusual situation, and that's why I wanted to bring it up to you. If you look at the euro, it got a little bit stronger. That's what that green candle is telling us. That implies buyers are here. We do look for follow through to the upside. We got a weaker dollar in place, and we'll see that impact right here when it comes to interest rates. I like the action that we're seeing. This 10-year notes implies an up day for Monday. Let's see if we can get that follow through. Well, gold finally livened up a bit. It got a bit stronger in this market. I don't look for a dramatic move to the upside on Monday for the gold market. Crude oil did firm up as the U.S. dollar got weaker. I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. Not a dramatic move in that market either. Soybeans have gotten low enough to find buyers. Corn traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change here, just to give you a feel for that, is $700 a contract, and I am looking for an up day in corn on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again on Monday, and in the meantime, take care.